Hello and welcome back to our series. Now in this video I want to demonstrate how you can work with drop down menu. This is called option menu also. Let's make this from from Tkinter port all. Then let's make the window first. Window is equal to tk, and let's make window dot main loop. Here loop will be terminated here. Now I want to make here, first of all we have to make variable. So drop var is equal to string var. For this, now I will make this drop down is equal to, and we have to make option menu, and we have to pass here window, and we have to pass variable, that is drop variable. We need not to say variable is equal to in this case. Now there are two ways to make the drop down menu. First of all we can declare value here. I will make this month January, February, and I will only make 3 option March. Let's grade it. Drop down dot grade, we have to grade it on row is equal to 0 and column is equal to 0. I will make it, and we can set also drop var dot set its position, so that it will give you on result. We should set same as what we have January. Let's run and see this. Sorry, we have to save this file first of all. This is drop down menu, and run it. It should run when as we have getting this January, February, March. And in other way we can make this list, option is equal to, I will make here tuples of the January, this is February, and this is March. Also make to April, to here we should pass this option, but it will not work because this is tuple. We have to give every address of this tuple, so we have to pass this as a pointer variable, so that it will mark to every position, and we can set here. Let's run and see what if we are getting. Yes, we are getting what we have right there. Now getting this value when button is clicked is same as we have done before. Here I want to make button is equal to button, and it should be in window, and text is equal to get, and command I will give it command to with this is with, I will give this with lambda I will say get here, and grade it. Button dot grade to row is equal to 0, and column row is equal to, I will make to 1, and column to 0. Just make this, make the here, make it, we have to make, yes, we can make here because we are calling here, and we can give what we give above this can be called here, whether you are making this option anywhere. Defined get, this is the function, and we will get here where I will simply print, you can assign this a is equal to drop var dot get, and you can print it simply passing this variable. Let's run it and save it. I will February, it should give me February, and March, it is giving March, April. As I have told before, this variable will store the value we are passing to it. Every time it's selected, it will be assigned to this variable, and we can get simply from here. This is how we can get a variable in drop down menu. We can add this drop down in anywhere if we can. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.